For Hop Old Squirrel, you need B, which is thumb 1, A, thumb 1, 2, G, thumb 1, 2, 3. The rhythm is very important in Hop Old Squirrel. Before we play it, let's read the rhythm on ta. 1, 2, ready, and ta, ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ta. Ti, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ta. Now let's play the rhythm of Hop Old Squirrel on B. So you don't play the notes, only the rhythm. 1, 2, read the rhythm, go. The notes on this song are B, where the third line stem's going down. A, second space. G, second line, stem going up. Let's read through the notes. 1, 2, ready, and read. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. A, G. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. A. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. A, G. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, A, G. Now let's play it. 1, 2, ready, and play.